What's up guys? Today I'm 3D printing wardrobe dividers to organize our closet, so let's go. So the 3D print model I created myself. Now I made it to fit my wardrobe exactly how I required it, but in this case I've started off with a smaller test piece. Once I worked out the exact size I wanted, I made sure that there was enough room in the last one so that I could attach the labels and make sure that they fit properly. I actually widened the last one as well where the slot in the middle is, because it was actually too tight to fit over the rail. So once I opened that up, it was a perfect fit. So this is the one we're going to go with. All I have to do is slot them onto the rail and they pop on nicely, and they won't actually move around other than sideways, so you can't accidentally pull them off, and they slide across whenever the coat hangers actually move with it. So now all I need to do is print off a few more and organize the wardrobe. So that's about it from me. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, but thanks again, and we'll see you next time.